Tlhamalalo go tswa SABC Studio 10 Auckland Park, Johannesburg. Re go tlisetsa kgaso ya dikgang tsa Setswana a re iketle mmogo ka tshedimosetso. Mogaetsho madume makgolokgolo a badirisi ba Eskom ba nyemile moko go latela go ema mela e melele kwa ntle ga dikantoro tsa Eskom go ralala Johannesburg. Badirisi ba lopa gore dimitara tsa bone tsa motlakase di bankangwe. Ka moso ke letlha la bofelo la gore mongwe le mongwe a bo a kwadisitse dimitara.
Most of this, it is 99.9% of these customers are customers that we call zero buying, meaning that these customers have not been buying electricity for the past 6 months or more. Some actually more than that 6 months, more than 3 years or so. So what we have now done, because from our back offices, what we have done is that we had a breakthrough in terms of ensuring that these customers can also update their meters beyond tomorrow. So what we have done is that we've pre-generated their tokens, the tokens that they can use to update their meters, so that they can be able, or they can be able to collect these tokens for them to can be able to upload on their meters and update their meters. But all that we're saying is that for you to be able to collect these tokens that we have created now, you need to go and buy electricity from a legal vendor.
Kabagare bagi kwa Richi kwa Northern Cape ba dirisitse nako eno ya go kwadisa dimitara go ntsha matshwenyego a bona. Matshwenyego ano a akaretsa go duela disuga tse di kwa godimo tsa motlakase, bosenyi le dimitara tse di diphoso. Bangwe ba bagi ba re ke mengwaga ba itemogela kgaogo ya motlakase.
Ibile lehlanahlana la motimahlaha nakong ena eo maAfrika Borwa a ngodisang mabokoso a bona a motlakase. Boingodiso bo tsamaile hantle ho ba bang athe mosebetsi ona o file ba bang monyetla wa ho tletleba.
Die probleem wat erkennlik voorgekom
ena o hlalosa ha ba bile le mathata a ho utsuwa ha meralo ya motheo ya motlakase. O re ba ile ba phela dilemo tse ka bang tse pedi ba hloka motlakase, mme o thabile ha a fumane dikarabo mathateng a hae.
Ha motlakase o phela ha o tlo phela e be bontsha go motlakase o phedile ma o kentse e bontsha do.
Tikolohong ena Eskom e ne e sebedisana le palamente ya lehae, mme ho bile le kgweletso ho ba ihokellang motlakase.
It's criminal to steal or trying to do some underhand tactics with officials of Eskom. We encourage people to do the correct thing according to procedure. People have to make sure that, they buy the electricity on time, make sure that the meters are working, not tampering with the meters of Eskom.
Ha ditaba di sa le mothating ona, Masepala wa Solplaiki o re o tla bula kantoro ya ona ya ho thusa batho ho tla ingodisa ka Sontaha letsatsing la ho qetela. Thabiso Khadebe, ditaba tsa SABC, Kimberley.
Masepala kwa Mangaung kwa Free State o kgadile baagi kgatlhanong le go hirisa makwaloitshupo a bone go kwadisa mabentlele a dispaza. Masepala o kaile fa o etse tlhoko fa bangwe ba baagi ba direla baditšhaba makwalo a seng a nnete go kwadisa dispaza tsa bona.
Ho latela mabenkele a dispaza a fumanehang hohle makeisheneng, dikantoro tsa bommasepala di tlameha ho bona dipalopalo tse ngata tsa batho ba tlo ngodisa mabenkele a bona. Le ha ho le jwalo, ba bang ba tletleba ka hore nako e ha ya lekana.
The people there was busy going to register to municipality. The unknown people, let's say, I don't know what kind of people they are protecting not to get into the municipality. So it was disturbed.
21 days is too small, but it's not better 21 days. If it's 3 months, 4 months, but it's nice. I'm gonna be registered.
I already got that forms from municipality. I think Monday I'm gonna submit it. I'll see how things goes on.
Dibekeng tsa ho feta mabenkele a melata a ile a hlaselwa mme a utswetswa ka mora hore barutwana ba feta 40 ba iswe sepetleleng sa Pelenomi ka pelaelo ya hore ba jile dijo tse felletsweng ke nako. Arafat Mohsen ke mong wa borakgwebo ba ileng ba angwa ke sena.
You cannot punish 95% for 5% people So there is some undocumented people. So you cannot punish me for those guys who don't have papers. I have my legal papers.
Masepala wa Mangaung Metro o hlokomedisitse setjhaba hore se seke sa leka sa etsa bobodu ba o sebedisa ditokomane tsa sona ho thusa batho ba tlo ngodisa mabenkele a bona.
Batho bana ba di spaza shop ba ntse ba register hantle ntho engwe e re kopang hore ba etse gore re le ra fumana di case nyana tse mmalwa mo teng o fumana hore motho o sebedisa ditokomane tsa motho e mong ha ba no o etsa ntho eno nong re tla nka mehato re ntshitse melaetsa e bontshang hore tla nka mehato e feng re sebetsa ho finyana le bana ba sponisa if re tla re kopana le case ya mofuta ono nong re ya nka be re ifa bana ba sponisa hore ba kgone ho etsa mosebetsi wa bona.
Masepala wa Mangaung o ntse boipiletso ba hore beng ba dispaza ba ingodise nako e sa le teng. Makgala Masiteng, Lefapheng la Ditaba ho SABC Bloemfontein.
Baagi ba baneng ba ithaopile go falosa barafi kwa Shaft 11 kwa Stilfontein kwa Northwest ba dirile matshosetsi a go tsaya dikgato semolao go pateletsa puso go letla baagi go fa barafi dijo. Ba re ba tshwenyegile thata ka botsogo jwa barafi bao go begwang fa ba isi ba amogele dijo fa e sale morago ga gore setlhopha sa tiro se se tlhophilweng ke tona ya sepodisi Senzo Mchunu se se molele go thusa beke e fetileng.
E setse le sebaka sa beke morago ga gore bothati bo tseye taolo ya go ntshiwa ga baepi bao ba seng mo molaong fela ga go ise go ntshiwe ope ka fa tlase ga lefatshe e sa le ba tsaya taolo. Baeteledipele ba baagi ba latofaditse bothati ka go ba kgapelwa ka thoko mo kgatong eno ba lela ka mokgwa o letsholo leno le ngodiegang ka gona. Ga jaana ba lopile thuso go tswa go Komishene ya Ditshwanelo tsa Botho.
We are here to say it is their right to be given food, especially based on the conditions that they are underground. We have written a letter through human rights lawyers to the MEC as the chairperson of the committee and the head of the safety, community safety in the province. We've written a letter to him and SABC to request them to give the people underground food that will sustain them whilst they are waiting to be rescued.
Babueledi ba Komishene ya Ditshwanelo tsa Botho ba kwaletse mokhuruthamaga wa Lefapha la Pabalesego ya Baagi le Sepodisi lekwalo mo boemong jwa baeteledipele ba baagi ba lopa gore baepi ba ba seng mo molaong ba tlamelwa ka dijo, metsi le kalafi.
The court order in paragraph 3.3 doesn't prohibit the community or non-emergency personnel from being around the mine shaft and continuing with their rescue efforts.
Seno go ya ka babueledi se gata ka ditshwanelo tsa baepi ba ba seng mo molaong. Bothati ga bo ise bogolo le pegelo ya tlhatlhobo ya ka fa tlase ga lefatshe. Thabang Morutlwa, SABC News, Stilfontein.
Moeteledipele wa lekoko la EFF Julius Malema o netefaleditse balatedi ba gagwe fa lekoko le sa igope le fa le tla tswelela go gola le mororo dikgwetlho tse di farafereng lekoko ga jaana. Malema o etetse Westernburg kwa Polokwane pele ga conference ya lekoko ka Sedimonthole.
Fellow fighters, as a delegate of the EFF, you are expected to be loyal to our Constitution. And our Constitution demands of us in Section 6, subsection 7B, loyalty means that at all times, members and leaders will not keep quiet when the organization is unfairly criticized and attacked in private and in public. Loyalty to the organization means that members will remain active members even when removed from positions of responsibility or deployments. Loyalty means that members of the organization will not join in the opposition and opponent forces who unfairly criticize the organization and its leadership.
Mogaitso tla re se latswe boberi be khutlofela fano kgaso e latelang ke ya sepedi mo SABC2 le SABC le hae ga jana ta re sutele ba lefapha la maemo a bosa go fitlhana go e latelang boetso pula.